What's up, woodworkers? This video is for the people who have an Alaskan mill and do their own slabbing of wood, and I made a huge mistake. So what did I do wrong? This is California madrone that I cut up from a neighbor's tree. The tree was dying and needed to be removed, so I cut it down, slabbed it up with the Alaskan Mill. Really hard to cut, really gummed up my chainsaw chain a lot. It was pretty difficult to deal with. I had a lot of slabs, so the thinner ones I set up to air dry in my garage. The thicker ones I put in my DIY kiln, but I didn't dry them completely out. I dried them to maybe 15%. They're about 12 to 13% right now. The thinner pieces are at 10 to 11%, so they're at the point where I can work the wood. And so I started doing some of the cuts in it, and I was pretty disappointed to find out that it has a whole bunch of grubs that have gotten into it. I'll put the exact one in the description so you can know what I'm talking about. But this grub, apparently it loves madrone, and as soon as you cut madrone, it immediately infects it. And the only way to get around this is to basically kiln dry it right away to kill them. And I didn't do that because I wasn't aware of it. I haven't had a problem with other types of wood I've cut, such as oak. The oak has been fine. I air dried it outside and never got any issues with grubs attacking it. But the madrone, it just loves the madrone. So I'm gonna probably have to just put it in my fireplace, or at least a lot of it. Some of it I've worked around and actually made a little box with it, but a lot of it is just gonna go away. Madrone, incredibly beautiful wood, and I'm pretty sad about this.